Hello, it's math time with Mrs. Deppersmith. I'm wearing my mathematician's hat once again because we're going to do some more long division with or without a remainder. Go ahead and set up and solve these division problems. Bring your work to school and we'll see how it worked out. And we'll start out with the first problem, which has a divisor of 7 and a dividend 934. Set up to solve, it's going to look like this. How many times can we subtract 7 from 934? Even though we won't be subtracting and subtracting and subtracting, that's what division is all about. So the problem for this is 934 divided by 7. Next, we will solve the problem with the divisor of 7, dividend 982. I'm guessing that by now these problems look a teeny bit familiar. They're very similar to the problems you've already done, only the divisor has changed. Here's how it looks when this one's correctly set up. How many 7s are there in 982? Remember, there may be remainders, so don't feel uncomfortable if things don't come out nice and even this time. The next problem will be use the divisor of 7 and dividend 4,608. As you get ready to solve this problem, it should look like this. How many 7s are there in 4,608? Just like this. And lastly, for today, we have this problem with the divisor of 7 and a dividend 520. Preparing to solve this one should look like this on your paper. How many times does 7 go into 520? This one might be tricky because as you start out, it's easy to see that you cannot get any 7s into 500s. So you're going to have to imagine a 0 in the hundreds place of your quotient and then work to the next digit over using the hundreds and tens and ask yourself the question, how many 7s are there in 52? You'll need to work with your multiplication facts to get the closest one that doesn't go over 52. I know that 7 times 6 is 42, but maybe 7 times 7 or 7 times 8 would be the correct number to start with. Don't let this scare you. I know you can do it as long as you're comfortable with your multiplication facts. Make sure you bring your work to school and we'll see how our answers look. Have a great day, and please remember to be kind.